Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best coach frame available on the market, the CIANMGD Coach Definition Picture Frame. If you're looking for the perfect gift for a coach, whether it's for a birthday, a holiday, or just to show appreciation, this frame is a fantastic choice. This picture frame features a beautiful, meaningful design that captures the essence of what it means to be a coach. It's not just a frame, it's a heartfelt way to show gratitude for someone who has inspired and led their team to success. The words printed on the frame add a personal touch, making it a thoughtful keepsake that any coach will cherish. The frame itself is made from high-quality wood, ensuring that it's durable and long-lasting. It has a textured finish, adding a little extra charm to any space where it's displayed. Measuring 8 by 10 inches, it holds a 4 by 6 inch photo, making it the perfect size for showcasing a memorable moment with the coach. Whether placed on a desk or mounted on a wall, this frame can be displayed in a variety of ways, giving it versatility for any setting. One of the best things about this frame is its ability to evoke memories. Each time the coach looks at the photo, they'll be reminded of the impact they've made and the joy they bring to their team. It's the perfect way to capture that special bond between a coach and their athletes, making it a meaningful addition to any collection of memorabilia. It's not just a gift for coaches either. It's ideal for family members, friends, or colleagues who appreciate sports and leadership. Whether you're celebrating Christmas, Thanksgiving, or a birthday, this frame makes a perfect gift for anyone who holds coaching in high regard. If you're looking for a way to honor a coach in your life, the CIANMGD Coach Definition Picture Frame is a truly unique and heartfelt option. The high-definition print ensures that the words and photos will remain crisp and clear for years to come, making it a lasting tribute to the efforts and dedication of a coach. So, if you're on the hunt for that perfect gift, look no further. This frame is a beautiful way to express appreciation, and its classic, durable design makes it a keepsake that any coach will treasure forever. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you liked this review, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews like this. See you next time.